Hi, hello, welcome to InnoBids. Today we are going to see what is domain name and how to use it. A domain name is a unique address used to identify and locate websites on the internet. It serves as an easy to remember label for users to access a website rather than having to remember a long, complex IP address, which is a series of numbers identifying the location of the server hosting the website. Think of it as the website's name on the internet. Each domain name consists of two parts: the name itself, which can be anything a person or company chooses, and the domain extension, such as .com, .org, or .net. The domain extension often reflects the purpose or type of entity the website represents. For example, .com is commonly used by businesses, while .org is typically used by non-profit organizations. The process of obtaining a domain name involves registering it through a domain registrar, a service provider that manages the reservation of domain names. Once registered, the domain name is owned by the individual or organization for a specific period, typically 1 year, with an option for renewal. The registration also includes a specific set of rules and fees, and the registrar acts as an intermediary for assigning the domain to the website. The domain name system, DNS, plays a crucial role in the overall functioning of domain names by translating them into IP addresses that computers can understand. When you type a domain name into a browser, DNS servers map that name to the correct server that hosts the website, allowing the browser to display the requested content. In short, a domain name is essential for online presence, offering a user-friendly way for people to find your website and making it easier for businesses and individuals to establish their digital identity. Without domain names, navigating the web would be much more complicated, requiring us to remember numeric IP addresses for each website we visit. Using a domain name involves several key steps to ensure your website is accessible and functions smoothly. Once you have chosen and registered a domain name through a domain registrar, the first task is to link it to your website's hosting server. This is done by updating the DNS, domain name system, settings with your web hosting provider's details. The DNS records are what allow the internet to know where your website is stored, essentially connecting your domain name to the server that holds your site's files. Next, it's important to set up any necessary email addresses associated with your domain. For example, you could create a professional email like info@yourdomain.com, which adds credibility to your business or personal brand. Many hosting services offer email hosting, but you can also use third-party services for this purpose. For better website organization, you can create subdomains under your main domain. Subdomains allow you to designate specific sections of your website, like blog.yourdomain.com or shop.yourdomain.com, which can be helpful for organizing different types of content or services. Additionally, maintaining your domain name involves regularly renewing it to avoid losing ownership. Most domain registrations last for a year, but you can set it to renew automatically to keep it active. Also, ensuring your domain is secure with an SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, certificate is crucial. SSL encrypts data between your visitors and your site, which is important for both security and SEO. In summary, using a domain name involves connecting it to your hosting server, setting up professional email accounts, and managing subdomains for better organization. Regular renewal and security measures like SSL certificates are also important for keeping your website running smoothly and securely.